Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn 3 tricks in Excel. This will very helpful for you and you should know about it, that how you can use this. Number 1, how you can generate automatically the serial number according to the columns which you have filled. Number 2, how you can separate the positive figures and the negative figures in Excel in the form of total. Number 3 is that how you can get the values from the data which is smaller in your whole of the data. So these are the 3 tips which are really helpful and it will really great to increase your productivity in your professional life. So I hope that you will like this session. So start the session. So first of all, how we can automatically generate the serial number in Excel. Type is equal to if column open, then the reference of the column, then is equal to, quoted close and open, then comma, once again quote is close and open, then type the function row and is equals to, I am giving it 2 ratio is to 2. Then I will enter it after double bracket close, then you can see it's 2. If I will drag it, you can see that it is automatically on the 5th row. Now the second formula which will help us to get the negative value total in our cell. If we need only the negative value total, that how we can get the negative value total from whole of the data. So what you need to do is you need to type is equal to sum if bracket open, select the range of the cell which you need to do, then comma, then column open, then less than is equals to 0, then column close and then bracket close. So you can see that there is a 350 of total have been picked the Excel. And if you want to convert into a positive figure, what you need to do is just drag it and only you need to change the sign of the greater than to less than to greater than. So as I insert the greater sign, you can see it will bring the total of all the positive figure also. The third one is if you want to pick the smallest value into the column, that which one is the smallest value. So what you need to do is you need to type is equal to, then type small, then bracket open, then select the range of that column where you need to pick the minimum value, then comma, then put 1 and then bracket close. Now you can see it will bring the 300 of our value. If I will type once again the small function and bracket open and select the range once again, and if I will give the range again and give the second number, so it is the second lowest value will be picked up now. So this is the second lowest value which I have -50. So you can see the -50 is available. If you can apply on third, so it will bring the third lowest value for you. You can see I am changing second to third. So now it will bring us for me 85. So I hope you will like these tricks of Excel. If you are on first time on our channel, so please subscribe it and press the like button. And thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.